Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You are watching Take. So finally the day came. Most popular and the oldest ROM in the world of custom ROM called as Evolution X has been available for the OnePlus 9 RT by the developer Owen. So evolution of OnePlus 9 RT has begun now. I was using the derpfest OS on my phone from the last few days. So to flash this new ROM, download the files given under the video description. It contains the full ROM zip file and the recovery automatic installation zip. There is an instruction text file also available there. It has the written instruction how to flash the ROM. You can follow that if you don't understand the flashing process shown in the video. If you are first time flashing this Android 13 based ROM, then must follow this video. Its link is given in icard and under the video description. Flash the optional 12 zip 2 times and confirm the fastboot is working on the both the slots or not using the fastboot enhancer as shown in that video. Please follow the video as it is, except the flashing of riceddroid ROM shown in that video. Instead of that, we will flash the Evolution X. If you are already on any Android 13 based custom ROM, then skip the above mentioned step and directly flash the ROM as shown in the current video. Now power up the phone, boot it into the fastboot by long pressing the volume down plus power button, connect it to the PC. So today in this video we will first see how to flash this ROM, performance comparison of this ROM with the derpfest and the Pixel OS, what's working, what are the new features available in the ROM, bugs and my final verdict. So watch the video till the end. Now without wasting any time, let's get started. As I told in the intro, download these two zip files and place them in the platform tools of your PC or on the desktop. Your PC must have the latest fastboot driver installed. Now first unzip the recovery automatic installation zip. Once extracted, you will get this OnePlus 9 RT named folder. Open it. Keep your phone connected to the PC in a fastboot mode as we did in the intro. Now double tap the install bat file. You will see some files will get flashed on your device like boot, DTBO, vendor, and once done, close this same window. Phone automatically reboots to this recovery screen. In the recovery, tap apply update, then tap apply update from the ADB. Now go to the root of your folder where you place all the files. Here click shift key of your keyboard plus right click of your mouse. From the drop down menu select open command prompt here in the CMD. Now type ADB sideload and drag the ROM zip file in the CMD and hit enter. You will see the flashing percentage 2, 3, 4, 10 so on, and once full flashing gets done you will get the 2x for notification in the CMD. Now in the recovery, go back to the home screen by tapping the back arrow key. Tap factory reset. Now tap format data and tap S. Once formatting is done, reboot to the system. So here comes the important point. If your device boots loops in the OnePlus logo, like you can check on the screen, then long press the volume down plus power button, phone will boot to the fastboot mode. In the fastboot mode, select recovery mode using the volume key and power button. Once done, phone will boot to the recovery again. Connect it to the PC and flash the Evolution X firmware using the ADB sideload command as we did few minutes back in the video. After flashing, do the format data once again. Now reboot to the system. This time phone definitely boots to the new and the amazing boot animation of Evolution X. After completing the setup, phone boots to the Pixel launcher with the stock Evolution X wallpaper. Now we'll go to the about phone section to check the details of the new ROM. So this is the same Android 13 based ROM with the same Android 13 material clock Easter egg. This is the Evolution X 7.4 call data version with their own Easter egg. So this is the first Android 13 based custom ROM which comes with the December security patches. Kernel version is 5.4.210 built with the latest LLVM Clang tool Chain 14. All the other custom ROMs comes with the 5.4.191 kernel version. Build date of ROM is 21st December 2022. Kernel is enforcing, so everything is updated to the latest sources in this build. Now it's time to check the performance of the new build. ROM is super smooth, it's very fast and everything is gliding on the fingertips. ROM remains on the 120Hz most of the time, but sometimes it goes down to the 60Hz on some applications like camera. Even if you enable the first 120Hz in the developer setting. Scrolling, switching between the applications, apps opening, closing, everything is smooth AF. ROM is on the latest OpenGL and the Vulkan graphics drivers. Now let's do the Geekbench test. We got the score of 1078 and 3155 for the single core and the multi-core respectively. If we check the derpfest OS results, there we got 1100 and 3300 respectively, while Rise.8.5 has the higher results than both of these ROMs. So in terms of the CPU results, Evolution X ranked 3rd place as compared to the ricedroid and derpfest OS. For Hook and Graphics API test, I got the score of 4438, while for the derpfest OS, we got the 4324 and ricedroid has the 5178. So here Evolution X ranked 2nd place with the negligible difference. Though in terms of the numerical values, Evolution X can't gain the 1st place, but in real life usage, I did not felt ROM is lagging behind any of the custom ROMs. Now we'll see what's working in the ROM. As this is the initial build, I checked all the basic things like the Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth, GPS location, NFC, Oneplus alert slider, all are working fine. OK Google voice activation of the Google Assistant for the on and off screen mode both are working. Under display fingerprint and the face unlock both are working good with the accuracy and they are blazing fast. Photo application has the unlimited photo backup. OLT incoming and the outgoing calls are working with the call recording functionality. We will find the call recordings under the call log section. Basic functions like the ear proximity, microphone, multi-touch, display are absolutely fine. I checked all the sensors like the accelerometer, light, proximity, magnetometer, compass, gyroscope, and they are working without issues. Most important part is the safety nets is passing. We can use all the banking application in this ROM. ROM is encrypted so your data is safe. Now it comes the most important part, camera. ROM comes with the Lineage OS aperture camera application. Actually it's a pretty basic camera application missing some features, but this time some features were added by the team. Like video recording, it's working at the 4K, not only at the 60 fps but also 120 fps also. All the wide angle camera modes are working here. The only things are missing here are the portrait mode, slow motion mode, time-lapse video recording, panorama mode, photo sphere mode and the night mode. So to overcome these features, I used a Gcam MGC build. Like old videos, most of the things are working in the camera except the slow motion, 4K 60 fps recording, they are not working. So use both of the camera application to overcome some drawbacks of the camera section, but still some parts are missing here. Now it's time to check out the new and the unique features available in the ROM. Like the derpfest OS, this ROM also comes with the Dolby Atmos sound mod. It has the different music presets which is giving the amazing sound quality to your music. I especially liked the movie mode preset. In the Evolver tab of the setting, we get all the other customizations. Under the themes and the dark theme, we get the different custom themes like the black, clear, vivid, etc. Clear theme will give the clear view of your currently running wallpaper as the setting background, which is completely changing the look of your device. Other themes preview you can check on the screen. Under the status bar, we get the bunch of the different battery styles. By using this, we can differentiate the look of your device from the other devices. In the quick setting customizations, we can hide the clock from the top position of quick setting panel. We can increase or reduce the QS panel clock size also. We can also customize the clock shape of quick setting panel to the different looks using the similar setting that you got in the status bar setting. In the lock screen setting, we get the edge light for the notification on the AOD screen and is properly working, which was found buggy in the derpfest OS. In the same tab, we get the under display fingerprint icon picker and the animation setting, which is working good without any issues. It's giving amazing animation while unlocking the phone. These are some animations that I liked the most. Under animation tab, you get the different power menu pop-up animations. You can check them on the screen. Instead of this, under the miscellaneous setting, we get the different useful features like the game space, smart pixels, some spoofing toggles, but they are just a placebo settings. Music pulse settings are available and it's actually working, which seems buggy in the derpfest OS last time. Now other important features will be found under the Oneplus Extras. Here you get the alert slider setting. You can assign a different task to the alert slider instead of default notification and ringer setting. Power menu efficient work use toggle available here, which helps to save the battery to the some extent. Here comes the new and the unique setting that I did not found in any of the custom ROM, like per app refresh rate and the color space setting. Here you can individually assign the screen FPS and the color space mode to the specific applications, which is completely new concept and very useful. Manual and the automatic high brightness toggles are also found here. App synchronization toggle is the new setting to disable the app synchronization, which helps to improve your device performance. So we already discussed all the important points. Now it's time to check the bugs and the issues. First one is like all other ROMs, ROM doesn't comes with the L1 certificate, so we can't able to stream the Netflix or the Amazon Prime at the full HD resolution. Under the Evolver customization, you get the buttons tab. Here you get the volume rocker wake up toggle. This is not working. Volume buttons not working to wake the device. Under the lock screen setting of Evolver tab, you get the media hardcore blur. This setting available in most of the custom ROM, but it doesn't work in any of the ROM including the Evolution X. Except these bugs, I did not found any issues. Everything is fine. Battery life is not tested yet, and I didn't getting time to test this part because nowadays I am not using 9RT as my primary device, but still I will try to give it after 2 days via community post. In the battery setting, you get some additional setting to limit the charging to lengthen the battery life of your device. So that's it for today guys. If you think this video helped you, then please do like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for the notifications of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.